Look at the new rules that we're looking at in the state of Karnataka. The Karnataka government has now announced a slew of measures to fight the COVID pandemic. This includes a special task force which would be set up for the COVID management in Bengaluru. The state had also earlier released a new SOP for quarantining of the returnees who are coming from neighboring states. Now, those returning from Maharashtra will now have to undergo 7 days of institutional quarantine and 7 days of home quarantine. Meanwhile, the returnees from Chennai and Delhi will have to undergo 3 days of institutional quarantine and 11 days of home quarantine. So these are some of the new set of SOPs that have been put in place. Remember, at a time when we're looking at a lot of relaxations being put in place, there are also concerns of the cases that are increasing at this point. And for that, the states have now come up with more SOPs to keep us vigil on the number of cases. Let me bring in my colleague Shrija for further updates on this. Shrija, if you can quickly take us through the important updates coming in, what changes have been made, the new standard operating procedure that has been put in place by the Karnataka government.
Well, Apurva, in the last 18 days, if you're looking at least 5 standard operating procedures have taken place. In fact, we see that just yesterday, the Karnataka government had released the standard operating procedure. In the standard operating procedure, they did talk about especially how the returnees from Maharashtra. Now, that particular standard operating procedure remains, which talks about where 7 days of institutional quarantine and 7 days of home quarantine. Coming to especially people returning from Chennai, Tamil Nadu and Delhi as well. Now, these people will have to undergo a quarantine of 3 days. This is in the institutional quarantine, and followed by another 11 days, which means taking the total number of quarantine days to 14. Now, what really about the other people, rest of the people coming from the other states apart from Delhi, Tamil Nadu and including Maharashtra? Well, they will be allowed to go home, in fact, soon after they reach Karnataka. But remember, they will have to stay in the quarantine for at least about 14 days. Now, this is the standard operating procedure. So time and again, we have been seeing how Karnataka government have been tweaking their standard operating procedures to also ensure that, remember, this is a part of the COVID surveillance plan. Remember, there are several strategies that are being drawn by the Karnataka government. And this has been the latest coming in because, remember, these cases have been, there has been a spike in the cases that we are looking at least 7,200 cases that Karnataka has reported as far as positive cases are concerned. That apart, as far as, in fact, the Chief Minister of the state, B.S. Yediyurappa, he continues to say that at least about 4,200 of them, of these 7,000 that we're talking about, are the returnees, especially from Maharashtra.
All right, so those are the new set of SOPs that the Karnataka government right now has put in place for the returnees at this point. Shrija, thank you so much for joining us with those updates. Let's also get in further updates and this regarding the changes that have been made by the Kerala government at this point. Now, the Kerala government has issued new guidelines for people visiting the state, which means that the guidelines say that people visiting the state for short trips, they will not be allowed to stay for more than 7 days. In addition to this, the people who are traveling for competitive exams, the students who are coming in for the competitive exams, will be allowed to travel just 3 days ahead of the exam date. And also, those who are making short trips to the state should register via the COVID Jagrata portal. Let me bring in my colleague Vivek, who's joining me live, getting us all the updates of the changes that have now been made by the Kerala government. Vivek, in the wake of a lot of relaxations that have been put in place, we are, of course, looking at a vigil that has been kept by the Kerala government. Help us understand what changes have been made right now for anyone who wants to come to Kerala, whether it's a tourist, whether it's a student. What are the changes that have been made in that regard?
See, the changes that has been made is this, that, everyone who's coming to Kerala for emergency purposes, especially for business purposes and for, writing the competitive examination should, make sure that he or she register in the COVID Jagrata website and also make sure that within 7 days that he should return. Now, earlier, there was no such restrictions. People can stay here. And now that there is a 7-day period, and within that time, he or she should return back. And also one more thing, the person if he's coming to write an examination or if he's coming to attend a meeting, he or she should directly go to that place and be there, and he should not go somewhere. He should not roam around or travel or associate or mingle with the people around. Now, this is something very important because there has been a
Okay.
number of such cases been reported where people who have come for emergency purposes has been seen wandering in different places. Now, this has been observed right from the beginning, right from the month of April onwards, and hence there was also aspersions that cases have been increasing. There was primary contacts that emerged due to these kind of people who have moved from one place to another, because there has been apprehensions, especially people who are coming from the neighboring state of Tamil Nadu and also from Maharashtra. This was a major issue, and hence the government has made it very mandatory that people should only stay for 7 days, and also they should register mandatorily in the COVID Jagrata portal. This is to basically trace each and every person who's coming to the state for emergency purposes.
All right, Vivek, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates.